Now the NIO stock price, as seen on the screen yesterday, finished trading at $4.62, up 3.36%, which I suppose it was a good day for NIO yesterday. I mean, day before yesterday, NIO finished down 8%, which led into some of you guys, even on the social media, to start complaining about the share price if we are ever going to get to double digits. And I've done quite a number of videos, or in fact yesterday I did a video which we were just talking about that. I mean, some of you guys, after I did that video, one guy sent me a screenshot or sent me this picture that I want to discuss with you on this video, right? And this is the picture of the short sellers or shorts once again coming back onto NIO after a period of time. I mean, this guy, as seen on the screen, notice that the picture that he sent me, it's a picture that shows that yesterday, or on the 12th rather of August, I think that is the day that we saw the stock price or share price of NIO going down 8%. The short volume or the daily short volume was around 20 million shares. And I mean, a couple of weeks ago or in the previous few days ago, the short volume was around 5 million. And seeing it going to 12 million shares just a day of the insurance registrations, yeah, short thought, oh, this means that, look, they are still trying to find loopholes of taking NIO stock price down. But the good thing is, look, based on the fundamentals or strong fundamentals that NIO has developed or that NIO has accumulated over the years, it might not be a lot of opportunities that they will get to short the NIO stock, especially looking at where NIO is headed, especially looking at the Onvo L90, the deliveries. It's not a many of days where you will see these shorts having control like this on a NIO stock, because there is more good than bad that is happening. Yes, one of the bad things that happened, I think, last week, which led into even the Onvo L90 insurance registrations coming at 2093, it was because of the shortage of batteries of the Onvo L90. But apparently that has been resolved quickly, and the deliveries will be are back to normal this week, which is absolutely great, and it gives me the confidence to say that, looks, the numbers of the short sellers are now the days of short sellers are numbered, and this only means one thing, and that is we will continue rising, even share price wise. I mean, the new CEO has promised us that profitability is coming in Q4, and now in Q2 going forward, we should start seeing a lot of improvements in terms of the margins, in terms of course, the net losses coming down, because these are the two pointers that the short sellers are also using to short the NIO stock down. And knowing that things have changed, and NIO CEO has already given a confirmation that we'll see massive changes onto Q2 earnings, you and me can agree that we need to brace ourselves for what's coming, because what is coming from now on, especially in Q3, who knows, it might even take us to profitability. But let's not go there. We know that profitability is coming in Q4, but there are some banks, I've covered that on this channel, to say that there are some banks that are seeing a break even coming in Q3. But anyways, we are not there. So this picture that I was showing you, it is a picture that shows that average volume in the previous days or before the 12th, it was around 5 million. But on Monday, we saw, of course, the short volume going to 20 million, which is what led into the share price of NIO to fall or to drop by 8%. And I believe, or I have confidence to say that we are not going to see a lot of these days from now on, because NIO continues to do better, NIO continues to improve, or NIO will continue with the improving of the deliveries, which is something that as NIO investors we are so excited to talk and see that take place and unfold. That gives us the confidence to even go when the market is down and load the boat, because we know what we are carrying. We know not only where NIO is at, but where it is also headed. Yesterday, the plus 3%, it simply means that, look, the bulls have taken control, or the bulls yesterday were in control, and hopefully we continue seeing that control even today. We see more buying than selling, right? And yeah, it's just good to see where NIO is headed. It's just good to see what NIO can transform to be in the near future, right? I mean, this month, in fact, next week, I think on Thursday, NIO will be doing a pre-launch of the ES8. That model is very, very important because NIO CEO has already told us that, look, if you think Onvo L90 it's a good product, wait until you get to see the NIO ES8. That is the game changer model, because not only does it cover for family or for big families, but it also caters for business. If you are a business person, if you are if you are a executive, if you are an executive, a CEO, or you are just a business person who's always traveling while having meetings and all that, the ES8 apparently will come with features to support that, which is absolutely great, and it makes us to look forward to the pre-launch that is expected to come next week on Thursday. And we know how the market reacted immediately after the official launch was done. I mean, there is no way that the market, if the NIO ES8 is a very good product like the NIO CEO is saying, it won't react the same way we saw it reacting on the Onvo L90. So I just look forward. It is for this reason that I'm telling you that we won't have a lot of bad days, or there won't be days, a lot of the days where shorts are totally in control. I'm not saying there won't be days where it will finish on a red. It will. Maybe will be days that obviously NIO will be on a red, but there will be more green days than red days, based off what I'm seeing, because of the fundamentals. NIO ES8 coming, Onvo L80 coming. This will just boost the share price and take NIO to the next level in terms of deliveries. So yeah, man, I just thought I'd quickly come and give you this update. Tell me what you think about this, man. Blue sky is coming. Long term will win. Those that are persevering throughout the headwinds of the share price will most definitely be rewarded with time. Look, man, it takes me some time to make videos like this, and all I ask from you is to give it a thumbs up if, of course, you enjoy the content. I mean, I give you NIO's latest content all day, every day, which is why I would appreciate those that have been subscribing, those that have been liking. I'll keep them coming. I'll see you on the next one. That is all from me, and God bless you all.